Good morning, bonjour. I guess I'm going to have to do this presentation in English because I'm sure there are a few English-speaking people in this room, but also because my notes are in English and it's going to be very difficult to do real-time translation, especially when I talk about Sky, who is obviously originally a British company. So I'm Didier Lebras, I'm the CTO of Sky. I'm basically managing the technology at Sky, which covers both broadcast, IT, internet, and telecom, because we are also an ISP. And I just wanted to say that my background is originally in telecom. I joined Sky 8 years ago, but I came largely from the mobile industry. I've been CTO of Orange in UK and then Vodafone in Italy. So I've got a kind of experience across media and telecom. But first, let me tell you a bit about Sky. Just last week, we completed the transaction to acquire Sky Italia and a majority stake in Sky Deutschland to create the biggest entertainment company in Europe, serving 20 million households across 5 countries. It will be also one of the largest employers in the sector with 31,000 staff across 30 main sites. And with a combined program spent of £4.6 billion, Sky is Europe's leading investor in television content and at the forefront of delivering services over broadcast, online and mobile platforms so that customers can enjoy great TV whenever and wherever they choose. Today, though, I'm going to focus on Sky in the UK and Ireland, where I've been the CTO, as I said, since 2006, and explain how we are harnessing our leadership in innovation to add even more value for our customers and help grow new sources of revenue. At Sky, our core strategy is built around delivering market-leading content, innovation, and customer service. We are proud to be the biggest investor in TV in Britain, spending more than £2.6 billion on the best and broadest selection of content each year, spanning premium sport, the biggest and best Hollywood movies, 24-hour news, and a range of entertainment channels. In recent years, we have in particular made huge strides in increasing the range and quality of the programs we put on screen right across our channel portfolio. This has included investing £600 million in homegrown British content to create brand new original drama and comedy, including the Sky Canal Plus co-production The Tunnel, ou Tunnel ici en France, which will soon return for a second series. We then monetize our great content through market-leading innovation, enabling us to do 3 things. Make our TV services bigger and better, creating more value for Sky customers, create brand new revenue streams, and monetize our content in new ways by delivering it in new ways. A major focus over the last couple of years, for instance, has been to connect our customers' Sky Plus HD set-top boxes to their broadband connection to help them get even more value from their Sky subscription. 6 million of our customers now have their Sky Plus HD box connected to the internet. That's well over 50% of Sky TV homes, to enjoy a far richer range of content, including Britain's biggest catch-up TV service, and more than 300 box sets of internationally renowned hit series, including Game of Thrones, The Sopranos, and Stella. More and more of our customers are also using our award-winning mobile TV service, Sky Go, which gives them the flexibility to watch what they want, where they want, on game consoles, smartphones, mobile tablets, and on PCs and Macs. More than 5.6 million Sky households have now registered to Sky Go, helped by the launch of 20 new channels in the last 12 months and extending the service onto many more devices, from Android smartphones to game consoles. As a result, Sky's on-demand usage has rocketed. Downloads via the Sky Plus set-top box are up more than threefold during the year up to the end of June, with box set usage up fourfold and top titles such as 24 and Grey's Anatomy achieving over 10 million downloads each. Total on-demand views via Sky Plus now exceed 20 million a week, with pay TV accounting for roughly 60% of this viewing. To put this in another way, in an on-demand world, pay TV is far more popular than free-to-air content. Sky Go usage is also up by a quarter year on year to 16 million sessions a week, with on-demand viewing driving most of this growth. This means that we are now seeing around nearly 500 million live and on-demand views across Sky Plus and Sky Go each quarter, with views up more than 60% during last financial year. And most importantly, connected customers are also more satisfied, more likely to stay with Sky, and more likely to recommend Sky to others. Our success in finding new ways of delivering content has also created brand new revenues for Sky too. This includes bundling box set access into our top-tier family TV pack and providing it as a bonus to all our HD customers to give them extra value in their subscription. Launching our new mobile subscription service, Sky Go Extra, offering customers the ability to enjoy Sky Go on additional devices and download content to watch offline the £5 a month. Accelerating the growth of our transactional service Sky Store, offering over 1,000 movies to rent from all our connected customers, and earlier this year launching our buy and keep service, which allows Sky customers to buy a digital copy of a film from Sky Store and receive a DVD throughout the post, something that just would have not been possible without the OTT delivery. I think I skipped some slide. We have also innovated to pursue new opportunities in the emerging pay-light segment of the pay TV market. Our second pay TV brand, Now TV, which lets us further monetize our content by delivering it in a new way, is proving to be a popular choice for people who haven't previously taken pay TV services from any provider. It delivers great Sky content via a new low-cost set-top box called the Now TV box, which is available for just £9.99. Now TV also delivers content to a total of more than 50 internet-connected devices, including smartphones and tablets, giving customers the flexibility to watch great content on their own terms. And most importantly, Now TV is allowing us to attract new customers to pay TV, with more than 4/5 of Now TV customers say they hadn't previously considered taking Sky's direct-to-home TV service. We know, though, that our strengths in content and innovation are only relevant because they matter to customers. It is because we combine them with a deep understanding of our customer needs that we are able to bring together home entertainment and communications better than anyone else. We have established direct, long-term relationships with 11.5 million households across Britain and Ireland. These relationships mean we know what our customers want and enable us to stay focused on providing the services that best meet their needs. And as the connected homes becomes more established and consumers are faced with an increasing array of choices, service delivery has become a more important differentiator than ever before, making Sky's expertise a source of competitive advantage. Thank you for listening, and I think I'll have the opportunity to answer any question later on at the end of the roundtable. Thank you.